Hello guys, it's Aslam again. Today we are going to practice unmarked major roundabout. So we're going to do now first exit. So I'm going to show you first on my iPad, then I will show you practically some as well. So imagine that your car is up here. We are heading the first exit is up here. So we're going to use MSPS routine always as a normal. Keep carry on same as a normal lane. Keep going, looking on the round on the right side on the roundabout. If it's safe to do so, we could go carry on a meter away from the curb and drive as a normal in your middle lane. Soon your car gets straight, check the mirrors, cancel indicate, progress as a speed limit. I will show you the practicalism as well. Hello guys. We are going to do now practice unmarked roundabout first exit. So before approaching roundabout, we need to use the MSPS routine. Center mirror, left indicate, and follow the curb as a reasonable distance, which is a meter away from the curb or length of door. Look on the roundabout. If it's safe to do so, carry on, follow the curb as a smooth as a normal. Soon car get straight, check the all mirrors and cancel indicate and progress. Hello guys, it's Aslam again. Today we are going to do the practice unmarked major roundabout. That's unmarked major roundabout. I'm showing you first my iPad, then I will show you the practicalism as well. So we are doing now practice on the straight head, which is second exit. So just imagine that your cars up here. So carry on same as a approaching speed. We need to go to smooth and carry on same as a normal. So we don't need to apply any indicator because the class is straight head. But what we're looking for, we're looking at any blocker and safe cap on there. And we need try to go to follow the as a curve. Do not go too far in the middle and carry on a meter away from the curve. Keep carry on. That's your car. Look on the right. If it's safe to do so, aim to your middle of this one's curve. Sometimes have yellow post here, but if it's no yellow post, there's one curve or white line or anything else. So make sure there's nobody there. Just keep carry on same as follow the left lane, left a meter away. Soon your position, center mirror, left indicate, and follow again that white line. That's a giveaway line. Carry on as a normal, as a middle of your lane. Leave roundabout as a normal lane. Soon your car get straight, check the mirrors, cancel you indicate, progress as a speed limit. I will show you the practicalism as well. We are going to do the practice unmarked roundabout. We're heading second exit, which is a straight ahead. So there's no line on the floor. So follow the curb as a meter away from the curb, because on the roundabout will be wider track. So look routine, MSPS routine, and look on the roundabout right and left. Follow the curb. Look right side is safe. Follow the curb again. Aim to that one's the sign. Level of the first exit mirror indicate left. Follow the curb again and progress as a smooth. Follow the curb, and soon your car gets straight. Check the mirror and progress as a smooth speed limit. Hello guys, it's Aslam again. Today we are going to do a major roundabout, which is unmarked roundabout, no line on the floor. So, and we are going to now learn to class turn right, third exit here, unmarked roundabout. So just imagine that's here is your car. We're heading third exit, class turn right. So we're using MSPS routine because class turn right, we center mirror right indicate on the good time. Keep carry on. Position should be your right. Do not come too closer to left side because we're turning right. That's the class turn right. So mirrors again, check it and look again. Here's any car oncoming vehicles on the round or coming from right side. If it's safe to do so, it is safe gap here. That's your car. You could carry on inside the roundabout. Please do not drive into middle. Inside the roundabout, carry on inside with the right indicate. Keep carry on the right indicate. Just close the mirror. Stay on the left, right. Soon your level of the second exit, because we're leaving third exit. Now center mirror, left indicate. That's your car. And look again, just make sure there's nobody behind too close to you. Gradually and smoothly bring your car to back. Leave exit as a normal. Soon you leave the exit, just get the car straight, check the mirrors, cancel indicate, and progress as SP limit. I will show you the practical same as well. Alright guys, we are going to do now unmarked roundabout and do the practice on the third exit. So we always using MSPSA routine on the roundabout or junctions. Get your position. So center mirror, right indicate. Get position on the right. Enter the roundabout, inside the roundabout. Look on the roundabout right cargo priority is a safe cab there. Enter the roundabout, inside roundabout with right indicate. Soon level of the second exit, mirror check, center mirror, left indicate. Gradually bring you over to back to move to left car. And soon car get straight, check the mirror, cancel indicate, and progress speed limit. Thanks for watching.